In a durable workflow, we can use if and else conditions for branching. So consider this example where durable lambda is triggered, and based on some condition, I can choose to do some step or I can choose to stop the workflow. Coming to code, here I have this code which uses three if conditions, and from event payload we are taking media type and content, and if media type is zip, then we are stopping the workflow. If media type is text, then we are using durable step to call bedrock to analyze the text. And here we have just sample or dummy bedrock function. We are not calling actual bedrock, but actual bedrock can be called here. And if media type is image, then we call AWS recognition to analyze the image. So let us test it. If media type is zip, then if I run, it's skipped because zip files are not supported. If it's text, then we see that text analysis is complete. If it's image, then image step will execute.